Looking for heart surgery in India? Get answers to your top FAQs about costs, hospitals, and international patient care in this video. Why choose India for heart surgery? India has earned a reputation as a global hub for medical tourism, offering state-of-the-art healthcare facilities, experienced doctors, and cost-effective treatment options. The country boasts internationally accredited hospitals that specialize in cardiac care, making it a preferred destination for patients seeking cardiac procedures such as bypass surgery, angioplasty, and valve replacements. What makes Indian hospitals attractive to international patients? The cost of heart surgery in India is significantly lower compared to Turkey, Thailand, Singapore, or Western countries, making it an appealing option for patients seeking quality care at a fraction of the price. Indian hospitals are equipped with advanced technology and skilled medical professionals who provide world-class treatment and personalized care to patients. How do I choose the right hospital for heart surgery in India? Look for hospitals that are accredited by recognized international bodies and have a track record of successful outcomes. Ensure that the cardiac surgeons and medical team have extensive experience in performing the specific procedure you require. Check if the hospital is equipped with modern facilities, advanced technology, and post-operative care services. What is the process for international patients seeking heart surgery in India? Patients can reach out to hospitals in India via email or phone to schedule a consultation with a cardiac specialist. International patients must obtain a medical visa to travel to India for treatment and should provide relevant medical documents for visa processing. Hospitals often assist patients with travel arrangements and accommodation options during their stay in India. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in heart surgery in India? WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.